What's up, guys? Cave Joel here, coming at you for another video. So it's finally warmed up outside. It's a total of 18 degrees. Yay! So much fun. Turn off the radio. Yeah, guys. So, question. We have a Siri and the Amazon one. Was it the Echo or something? You have all these like little, the little automated things that sit in your house, and you ask them questions and they answer it for you. Does anybody else feel that this is just making people stupid? Like, I'm 37. My generation grew up with, somewhat of the internet, but we were also taught how to actually search for information and actually, learn stuff. Nowadays, it just seems like people aren't learning anything, with using these devices, where they just ask, hey, what is, the capital of Texas, or what is, geocaching, or whatever questions they ask, and it just tells you, and it just feels like people aren't actually learning how to find out information besides using this these devices. It's also come to my attention, and of course this might be more the conspiracy side of me, that some of these devices are not exactly, when you ask them a question and they go out and they search for information, they're only searching for essentially what they've been programmed to look in. So the chances of certain information being biased on one side or the other is totally plausible with some of these devices. Yeah, whether you fall on conservative, liberal, libertarian, whatever side. Steven Crowder actually did a test on, I want to say it was the one for Amazon, whatever it's called, and he started asking a bunch of questions. And of course, he's, I don't know if you would consider him far right, but he's, right leaning. And some of the stuff that he asked it and it answered, the more, I guess we could say, the more liberal side of the questions, answered it in great detail, and just gave it all the answers. And then when you ask something, when he would ask other questions that were more conservative, right, sided, either the answers would be very short and not precise, or it'd be very vague on the answering of the questions. I'll link the video in the description so you can take a look at it. But I mean, it made me start thinking, all that stuff. I mean, yeah, it's still hooked up to the internet. Yes, it can still go out and grab information, from all over the place to gain answers. But how it's programmed and what it's programmed, what locations it's actually programmed to look in, are two different things. I mean, they could just have it going to one certain site, and are you about to hit me, lady? Jeez. But I mean, you find the same issues, like I find the same issues with some of the people I watch, online. Not really motovloggers, but, more on the survivalist conspiracy theory side. A lot of them only stick to their one little corner of where they get their information from. And the problem, I mean, that's all fine and dandy, but the problem is you're not seeing the other side of the story. So you're not getting the full picture, and you're not getting the the full amount of facts on whatever you're searching for, or whatever kind of news or whatever you're looking at. And it just seems like a lot of people that are using these devices, I mean, they think it's unbiased or whatever, because all they're, it's just a computer, and why would the computer have bias, But from the way it actually seems, the way they're programmed, they actually do. But yeah, just see what y'all think about that. I know it's kind of weird and more on the conspiracy side of stuff, but hey, I ain't got nothing else to do right now. It's too freaking cold. Yeah, guys, have a good one. Happy New Year. K-Tro out. Peace.